Thing? Okay. You want to reach down in there and get some? Get it out. Oh, you just want to get the seeds out? Okay. Are they slippery? Yeah. Good job. You want to reach and get some more? Yank it out. Good job. Oops, I got it. Don't want to lose those seeds. You're just going to get the seeds out one by one. You want me to get you a big chunk out? There we go. Get those seeds. Those are lots of seeds, huh?
2, 1. This is 1.
You going to count? 1, 2, 3. What's after 3?
4.
Keep going. Double them in. What's next?
4.
5. What's next?
4. 6.
6.
Apple.
Any more? What's after 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. You could do this all day, couldn't you?